guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Q&A video. Today I'm going to be answering a question about how much gap you should leave around the outside of your portrait or image before framing. And this is quite easy for me to answer. If you have a 12 by 12 inch image, say, you want to leave generally 2 inches gap around the outside to ensure that you have enough room when framing. It depends whether you're going to get it professionally framed or store-bought frame as to how much gap you should leave. But if you're generally unsure on how much gap, you should always leave about 2 inches, because then that gives you a lot of leeway when framing. My example here of Heidi, she is a 12 by 12 inch portrait and I have only left a ½ centimetre gap around the entire portrait, and this is because I get my frames custom made and I can make them exact to the millimetre, so it doesn't really matter to me having that much gap around the outside of my portrait because they're custom made. I know that they're tailored to this paper size, so they're going to be 100% correct and they're going to fit this image just lovely. If I was to put Heidi in a store-bought frame, I would have left a lot more paper around the edge to ensure that she has enough room to frame her properly from a generic store-bought frame. That's generally the gap that you want to leave, so you have enough room to move the portrait around and get it exactly right. If your piece of work is a commission, I would always advise asking your customer whether they would like to get it framed by you or whether they're going to frame it themselves. If they're going to frame it themselves, ask them whether they're going to get it professionally framed, so a made-to-measure frame, or whether they're going to buy a generic store frame. If they're going to get it made to measure, it doesn't really matter about that much gap, because then the professional framer can measure it exactly and get it exactly right and centered. If they're going to opt for a generic store-bought frame, then I would definitely leave a large gap, because those store-bought frames, some of them are completely different sizes to what they say. The mounts are cut a little bit wonky. The mounts are different sizes and vary from frame to frame, so always leave a big enough gap so that the customer manoeuvre the portrait around in the frame and get it spot on. That's basically it for this question. It's pretty simple. Just make sure that you leave enough gap around if you're unsure. If you're going to frame it yourself and you know the exact measurements, then you don't have to worry about too much paper, because paper is expensive, so you don't want to waste if you don't have to. So if you're getting a made-to-measure frame, then limit the amount of paper around the outside, but if you're not sure, just leave a gap anyway. Pretty simple. That's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this question, and if you have any other questions of your own, please feel free to ask them in the comments and I will make a little video for you and answer them for you. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on all of my social media sites. I will see you in the next Q&A video, guys. Bye!